Guys, so welcome to my Leetcode section 504 called base 7. So give integer return base 7 string complete representation. So 100 we need to represent 202. Okay, so why 202? Because this 2 means 2 times 7 squared, so it's 98. 98 plus 2, which is 100. Okay, and the minus 7 we represent, so minus, we don't care about minus sign, so 7 just represents 10. So just like the base of 2, we know that if n is 0, then we just return 0. Otherwise, I create a list, input list called digit. If n is larger than 0, then we just append integer modulo 7, and then we keep that n equals to n divided by 7 to be the next. So this is just the standard base 7 representation. And finally, we will have this digit. So this digit are the list, and we need to combine the element in the digits to form a string. So create an empty string, and for the digits, we need to do the reverse. Okay, and we collect all the elements in the digits and form a string. So this is L, this is L. And if n is less than 0, and then we do the same thing. We just keep take the minus sign out and do the same thing. And finally, we add the minus sign back. Okay, so this is very straightforward computation, and nothing special, but just follow the basically this is the standard change based algorithms. Okay, so I think it's very easy. Once you understand how to change the number into binary representation, then it's very easy. You just change it into 7 representation. Okay, so I will see you guys in the next video, and be sure to subscribe to my channel.